Okay, tell me about the story.
At the last of the story, there's a girl has a mark on the face.
Okay.
And now, if you come back again, you put the mark on the face, you'll get that.
Why?
Because he don't know her Burberry. He forgot her face what it looked like. But now, he put a mark on the face. And now he covered it without a tape. But the tape looks different.
Okay, why it looks different?
Because if you come back again, he'll get better. And you come back again, there's a big eye on the face. It has no black in the middle of the eye.
Oh,
That's the end.
that's the end of the story?
Wait,
Wait.
it's also in Avatar World and any different archives. If you do that at 3 a.m., don't do that. There's even a special show. Even Bluey has a difficult show. It's bleeding because Buffy just moved by itself like earlier by the person.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Where did you get that story?
Because I just saw the video, the Buffy just moved. Even the brown skin the big Bluey's friend. But Bluey has a secret boyfriend.
Who is his boyfriend?
She's very wild.
What? Wild?
Yeah,
How wild?
he has only black skin everywhere.
Oh,
And that's the end.
okay.